So here's the FrSara neck fan. I'm not sure how to say that. Maybe that's the company. And I've tried it already. Here's the switch button. You can hear it. 3 different settings. See the green? You can tell it's there. The 3rd. Yes, it does blow out cool air. It's not freezing, but it is cool. I'm gonna turn it off so you can hear me. You saw the button was green. So apparently when you turn it off, the green button goes off. This is the charger that it comes in. It does come out. You can take this out. Well, I need 2 hands, but it does come out. It's very easy to put in. Here's the end of the charger. So it's just a regular charger. It doesn't have anything specific. You can use any charger probably, as long as this fits. So you might want to hold on to that when you get it. It fits around the neck. I put it on already and it fits fine. It's comfortable. And there's the inside of it. Here are the vents, I guess, on either side. It's a cool little tool. You could wear it to do just about anything outside when it's hot. Now, I don't know how long it lasts for, but I'm sure it's a good several hour charge. And it only took about 2 hours to charge pretty well. I'm not sure when it came, if it was charged. The button was red, so I did notice that. So here it looks like down. And here it looks like turned around. It is not heavy. It is fairly light, so that's good. It did not come in a box to carry it around, so you'd need to carry it around in something. A bag is fine, like a plastic thicker bag. It's easy to carry, obviously. And I love it. I think it can be great if you have to go wash your car and it's really hot out, depending on where you live. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you liked the video.
Okay, so I know you can hear that. That's 3 different fan speeds, first of all. Customized colors. Got it in lavender, my favorite. Look, I'm just gonna keep this. You can see the wind. So let me do the 2nd speed. That's really blowing, like, and it's blowing really good air. I saw some reviews, some people are saying it's not blowing good air, or like it doesn't blow cold air. It does. It definitely is. This is such a great product. I'm so happy I bought this fan. I have a trip to Aruba, and this is my first time purchasing a personal fan, and I'm just so excited to use it. The air that it's providing is amazing. You can literally hear it. Like, it's just, you see it like blowing my hair. This is really great, cute. You can keep it in cute colors. If you want to do black and white, that's on you, but just love this product. Thanks so much. You guys, buy it. Buy. If you're still trying to figure it out, I'm telling you, get it. Like, it's super hot in Aruba too, and I know this is gonna be the best. Like, it's going to work. Like, this is really cold. Like, I'm getting a little cold right now. Like, feels really good.
What's up, everybody? I'm out here in my very hot garage. See this thing right here? Those aren't headphones. That's a fan. Sarah ordered these the other day. These are off Amazon. FrSara, ironically. No H fan. We bought them. Didn't get sent them anything like that. And they're a life changer. I mean, I'm a fat guy who sweats a lot and gets very hot. And it's probably 90 degrees out here in my garage. And right now, the head part of me, which is the most important part, is nice and cool. It's a USB-C charged fan. Little things come out there and then right in there. They're nice. Something to think about. Talk to y'all later.
Oh. Okay, here's this. Oh. Got the... Well, here's the charger part. But let's see charger. Let's see. Okay. Oh. Huh. Oh yeah. This is cool. And they probably got more power button. Hold on, what a button at? Ooh. Ooh. So we got one setting, got the low setting, got the medium setting, then we got the high setting. And it feel good. It's cool air. Okay, that's enough. Now, I'm at work and it feels marvelous. It's got 3 speeds. That's the second speed. I had it on the low. I keep it on low and it lasts all day. That's the third speed and then off. But it's hot out here today. And yeah, and I got it to match my shoes. My shoes the same color. Look, let me show y'all. I got it to match my shoes. These are called Anywhere, and they got them. I'm a EVS worker at Bronson Healthcare, so I'm outside on my little lunch, and yes, I love it.
Solamente que sentí la canción, esas cosas juntas que no pueden dar por tus minutos locos, mis amables, nuestro. Perfecto. Si no pasa nada. Si no te sientes bien, descansa.
¿Tomaste un video, Nico?
Cancelo la cena.
Ok.
Voy a hacer otras cosas.
I bought this to take my grandson to Disney and chose this one over a couple I ordered. I like the sound of the fan blowing. It lasted the entire time I was there. I used it conservatively, but I used it as I needed to. So I think it did great. It has a low, medium, high. Just the one button.
I've had this item for one day. I've used it exactly once, and it is the bomb. It has 3 speeds. I did not sweat one time with this fan going around my neck, whereas without it, I would pour sweat at work. This is definitely the neck fan to buy.
Some cute little, let's see. It's all right if you're not in 107-degree weather like we are here in Houston.
I'm really happy with this fan. It's powerful and it stays charged for a very long time. I used it at an outdoor event and it was about 8 hours and I stayed cool the whole time.
I don't got time to be hot. I'm too busy being cool.
It was supposed to be a C charger and I got a D charger. Go buy this product.